If you're a Corvette enthusiast living on the East Coast or the West Coast, and you're looking for pristine, perfect, museum quality 10 pre-owned Corvettes, we have exactly what you're searching for. This very specific is a very rare find. First, competition seats. Second, manual trans. Third, 7,000 mile Carfax certified. It's a fact. When it comes to quality, this is the perfect 10. And we're the #1 nameplate to purchase and get the best Corvette buying experience. This is the one that rings the bell in every car show. Finding manual trans with calm seats, along with all the gear, including carbon fiber tonneau inserts, carbon fiber interior trim, navigation, Bluetooth, performance exhaust, magnetic select ride, Z06 black wheels, heads-up display. It's the one, the best, and driven, pampered less than 900 miles per year. It's a fact. When it comes down to buying the best, there's one place, world famous Auto Direct, highest 5-star rated all the way.